it can be hard to choose what blending tools to use when you are new in drawing. So in this video, I will show you some of the blending tools you can use and how they work. Hello, I'm NoriArtsy, and today we will learn about the blending tools and how they work. This is the second video of my Things I Wish I Knew When I Started Drawing series, which is being released every weekend. So if you haven't seen my first video of this series, which is about different graphite shades, just click on the button right there. So let's jump back into the different blending tools. Just follow along and pause the video if needed. Also, remember to subscribe and activate the notifications bell for more tutorials. Let's start. The first blending tool is a blending stump, which is best for more detailed or smaller areas. You can clean and sharpen them by using a sandpaper. Second one is a tissue paper, which is best for large areas. However, just make sure to change it from time to time as it will absorb the oil in your finger. Third one is cotton buds, which is best for smaller areas. But personally, I don't use this as it is really hard for me. It sucks up most of the graphite and you'll have to change it every single time, or else it will ruin your drawing if you accidentally use the side that has a lot of graphite on it. Fourth and last blending tool on my list, and this is my personal favorite, makeup brush or a soft paintbrush. They are my favorite as they are soft and easy to use. There's no need to change or sharpen it every time. Also, they come in different sizes. So that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys, and let me know in the comment section below which of the blending tools is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you want to see on the next tutorial. If you know someone who needs this video tutorial, feel free to share this with them. If you haven't seen any of my other videos yet, you can watch some pretty interesting tutorials and time lapses of my drawing process. Hope that it helps you in your drawing journey. I am NoriArtsy. See you on my next video. Bye!